Hey, what's up guys? Right now I'm marking up my rear fender and cutting up the fender so that it fits nicely with my rear wheel. So basically what I decided to do was put the wheel back on the bike, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to give you an idea of how the wheel comes together. So as you can see, here is my powder coated wheel. No, it's not powder coated. Here's my spray painted wheel, black, and here's my spray painted drum brake. As you can see, the drum brake is located inside, just like a car. As you step on the brake, this lever goes up or down, and the brake lever, the brake pads expand inside, allowing you to stop. So what I'm gonna do is put this back in place, and this is the main shaft for the rear wheel. So first thing I'm gonna do is put the spacer inside. Actually no, I'm gonna put this wheel location adjuster inside, and then spacer, and then comes the shaft that goes inside the wheel. Okay, so now what you want to do is put this entire piece in place. As you can see, it's a little tight in there. I think I'm gonna put the other side in simultaneously. But as you can see, shaft, spacer, drum brakes, wheel, the sprockets on the other side, then washer. So I'm gonna grab my washer, grab my rear wheel adjuster, and try to slide it in. Okay, so there you go. Now that it's in, you want to place your adjuster block in place, which is this little piece. It goes right in here, and there's a screw that holds it. from top, just like that. Okay. And of course the nut on the other side, that's gonna hold the wheel in place. Because I'm doing this just to get an idea of where the wheel is gonna be on the bike, I'm not gonna install it 100%, but I just want to give you an idea of how the wheel installation is like on the bike. So of course, once I put the bike together completely, I'm gonna be redoing this something like this, but for now this should give you an idea of what it looks like.